everyone, today we change the screen for iPhone 12. You see screen is broken. So I already opened the screen. Now remove that two flags, Face ID and screen flags. So one plate is open, and now I open this one. Now is removing the cable. I already opened that one. So this is the new screen and this is old screen. Now I remove Face ID from old screen and put on new screen. It's 12, iPhone 12. So already opened the screw for Face ID. You see the fourth screw is there, and now I put on new screen. So already put and fix Face ID on new screen. Now time to fix on the phone. I already fixed the flex cable, and before putting that shield on the flex, I need to turn on phone and check the screen first. You can see Apple logo. We check the screen. Screen is fine. Now we close the phone, put shield and then close it. Screen is fixed now, and I already put the plates on the screen flex. Now it's time to close. The phone is working fine now, so you can see here is old screen and this one is new screen. And Techie Mobile and Computer, Rustington, UK. See you soon in next videos.